Hello friends, in this section we are going to discuss the working of SR latch using NOR gate. This is the circuit diagram of SR latch using NOR gate. One input is R and other input is S. One input is Q and the other input is Q bar. To understand the working of this circuit, first we have to understand the working of the truth table of NOR gate. This is the truth table of NOR gate. Here we can see that when both inputs are 0, the output will be 1. When one input is 1, we don't have to look the another input. The output will be always 0. If one input is 1, the output will be always 0. If both inputs are 0, the output will be 1. This is the truth table of SR latch using NOR gate. First we consider the input is 0 1, S is 0 and R is 1. When R is 1, this here is 1. When one input is 1, we don't have to look the another input. The output will be always 0. Thus when R is 1, the Q will be 0. Here we can see that the Q is equal to 0. Next is S is 0. Here S is 0 and Q is also 0. When both inputs are 0, output will be 1. Thus Q bar is 1. Here Q bar is 1. Next is S equal to 1 and R equal to 0. Here when S is 1, here it will be 1. Then we don't have to look the another input. The output will be 0. Thus Q bar is 0. Here Q bar is 0. Here R is 1. R is 0. Here R is 0 and Q bar we got that it is 0. So thus this and here it is 0 and here it is also 0. When both inputs are 0, the output will be 1. Thus Q will be 1. Thus Q is 1. Next is we have to look what will happen when 0 0 are given as the input. To understand what will happen, we give 0 0 as input. We have to take account of the output. If we are giving, now we are consider when we give 0 0 as input, the output is 0 1. What will happen when we give 0 0 as input when output is 0 1? That is, here Q bar is 1 and Q is 0. Thus R is 0 and S is 0. Thus here it will be 0 and Q bar is 1. Thus here it will be 1 and here it will be 0. Then one input is 0. One input is 1, then output will be always 0. Thus the Q will be 0. That is this and here. Thus here it will be 0 and S is already 0. Then both inputs are 0. When both inputs are 0, output will be 1. Thus Q bar will be 1. That is, when we give 0 0, then that is, if we give 0 0, when the output is 0 1, then the output will not change. The output remains 0 1. Next case is what will happen when we give 0 0 when the output is 1 0. When here S is equal to here S equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, then Q is 1 and Q bar is 0. Here S is 0 and Q is 1. That is, here it will be 1 and here it will be 0. Thus output will be, here one of the input is 1. Thus output will be 0. Thus Q bar will be 0. That is this value. And thus here it will be 0 and R is already 0. Thus when both of the inputs are 0, the output will be 1. Q is 1. That is, if we give input 0 0, the output will not change. Output remains as it was before. Here 1 1 input is not considered, because if we give 1 1 input, if we look, the q and qr will be have same value, that is q and qr will be 1 or q and qr will be 0. That is not possible. Because of that, 1 1 input is not considered. This is how SR latch using NOR gate is worked. The SR latch using NAND gate is in the next video. For that, the link of that video is in the description.